Hello childrens. Lesson number 6, factorization of algebraic expression. I think I took the revision of all the 5 lessons that we have to taken for the syllabus for our unit test, and so 2-3 days are there for this. You just do revision by yourself only, and today we are starting the new lesson, that is the lesson number 6, the factorization of algebraic expressions. Okay, this lesson is same like the previous lesson, that is the factorization of the factorize expansion formula. Okay, little bit similarities are there in between these two. So first of all, in previous standard we have learned factorize the expressions from ax plus ay, a square plus b square. Okay, these we knows. How we are doing ax plus ay? So ax here ax plus ay, inside this a we have a is common in both them, so here x plus y. So the factorization of ax plus ay is equal to a we have to take common and x plus y. Then the a square plus b square, its factorization, all of you know that. I hope you learn this all, because so many times I am taking this a plus b and a minus b, a plus b and a minus b. Okay, now after this let's recall inside. We are going to see the 1 minute. Let's recall inside. We have to do the factorization of algebraic expression, that is 4xy plus 8xy square. 4xy plus 8xy square. So such a type of examples when come, then we have to check each and every first terms from this. First of all, we will check a 4. So 4 stable inside 8 is there, so 4 you just take it outside. Okay, now here single x is there, here also single x is there, so here write 4x. Now here 1 y and here 2 y's are there. Okay, y square means 2 y's. So from this smallest one, that is the y, you just take it outside. Now from this 4xy, all 4xy gone outside, what is remain? 1. Okay, plus 4 stable inside 8 is present at which place? Second place. So 4 2s are 8. This x and this x we took outside the bracket. Here 1 y is there, here 2 y's are there. From that 1 y gone outside, so here remain from this square means 2 y, 1 y remains, and that's why the factorization, this is the 4xy plus 8xy square. Its answer is 4xy into bracket 1 plus 2y. Okay, so in this example we solve, and then here it is the next question. The next recalls question is the p square 9q square minus 9q square. P square plus 9q, sorry, plus not, minus is here. Okay, as you know all, p square minus 9 is the square of 3. So instead of writing p square minus 9q square, we can write it as a p square minus 3q bracket square. This is the square of 2 also, 3 also, and this is the square of q also. So here p square, now you know this is the factorization of a square minus b square, a square minus b square, and its factorization is a plus b. You know that a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so same thing we have to do here. Here p square minus 3q square, and its factorization we have to write it, that is p plus 3q and p minus 3q. Okay, clear? So in this way we have to solve the algebraic expression. So for that let's recall two questions we seen, these two. Now we will see the factors of quadratic trinomials. Which trinomials? You know that trinomials means monomial, binomials, trinomials we have already seen. Suppose I written here A, B, A or 3A, suppose it is monomial. In this 3A, if I will add 2B, then it is 2 terms are there, so it is binomial. In this way the trinomial is also there, and there are two types. One is the having the same variable and having the two variables or more than two variables. Okay, so here we are going to see the equations of one variable, and it is the here trinomial. Why it is there? Ax square plus bx plus c. Here variable is one, that is the x, and a, b and c are the constant terms, and its factorizations are given here. So let us learn inside. We will see an expression. See here, an expression of the form which what they told you, ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c. Here it is trinomial also, it is a trinomial also. Why? Because 1, 2 and 3 terms are there. 3 means trinomial it is there. And next it is quadratic equations. Why it is a quadratic equation? Why it is a quadratic equation? This is the main question if it will arise in front of you, and some students may know this answer, okay, but some students, those who forgot it, okay, for them I will tell you. If you see here, the highest power is variables, highest power is 2, and that's why if the highest power is 1, then it is called as a linear equation. I think it was over for you last year. Linear equation. If highest power is 2, it is called as a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, and highest power is 3, cubic. Okay, so here we are going to see the only quadratic equation. So here it is given that the equation which are in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, those are called as a quadratic trinomials. Those are called as a quadratic trinomials. It is trinomial also, and the highest power is 2, and that's why it is quadratic trinomial. Right? Now we know that this also we knows. Okay, how it was there? We have to write the first term square from this both, and first term is the x square, plus the constant terms addition we have to do, plus a plus b and constant is x. A plus b and constant is x, and plus ab means we are doing the constant term multiplication. This was the formula. Okay, it is the factorization of ax plus bx, x plus a and x plus b. Its factorization is this. Right? Now we will see the next term. If we took this example, now we will compare this example. X square plus 5x plus 6, x square plus 5x plus 6. If this is the expression, now here inside it, according to the formula, what it is, according to formula, that is x plus a and x plus b. Okay, what is its term? I told you that is the x square plus a plus b into x and plus a into b. So according to this, if we compare these two, you will notice that a plus b is nothing but 5 in this expression. Means 5 is the a and b's addition. Okay, means here a and b's addition is the 5, and 6 is the a into b, means ab is equals to, means it is 6. So which those terms are there whose addition is 5 and whose multiplication is 6? That is 2 and 3. Okay, so here we can find the values of a and b by using this also. Now here it is given that according to this, how they are converted it into the factorization. So for that, here it is given, it is the multiplication, whatever something it is given, the multiplication of a and b is 6, and the two terms whose multiplication is 6 and the two terms whose addition is 5. Which are those terms? Those terms are 3 and 2. So 3 plus 2 is the 5. Sorry, 3 plus 2 is the 5, and 3 into 2 is the, these two's multiplication is the 6, and in this way they solve the example. Here it's okay. In this way we solve, no problem. But I will tell you one thing. Okay, which example is there? This only we have to factorize. X square plus 5x plus 6. X square plus 5x plus 6. Right. So first of all, as you know that this x square have a sometimes x square has a coefficient, but now in this example x coefficient we can't see, x square's coefficient we can't see. If suppose I will write here 2x square, so 2 is the coefficient and x is the variable. X is the variable and it is quadratic equation, so it is highest power is the 2, that you know that. But here we can't see any coefficient for x square. If there is any coefficient, there is a coefficient and that coefficient is 1. Okay, and if one coefficient is there, no problem, just you write the 6 and 6 factor we have to find for the 5. Okay, so first of all tell me 6 is present in which tables? Just I am telling, this is the means first time, I hope, I think it was first time you are learning this. So here 6 is present in the table. 2 3s are 6, right? 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 1 into 6, 6. The 6 is present in these tables inside. 3 2s are 6, otherwise 2 3s are 6 is same only. So both from this one you can choose any one from this. So here we have to select the numbers from this. Okay, so 2 3s are 6 and I will take here 2 3s are 6 because 3 2s are 6 and 2 3s are 6 is same only. Here 6 1s are 6. Now what we have to do, this 6 factor means x square, if it has a coefficient we have to do the multiplication of this, and if it here it is 1, so 6 1s are 6. 6 factors we have to find for 5. Now we find we written here 2 3s are 6 and 6 1s are 6. Now we want to find the factors for 5, the middle x coefficient. Now here if you done the addition of 3 plus 4 2 plus 3 is what we are getting, 5 we are getting. Okay, and here also 6 and 1 subtraction if we done, 6 minus 1 subtraction if we done, we are getting here what, 5 only. But the multiplication of 6 and minus 1 is minus 6, it is not plus 6, so we have to cancel this. Now which factors we will choose for this? The 6 factor for the 5 are, then we have to select, that is the 6 factor for this is equal to 3 2s are 6. Now the next step is the x square, here write as it is. Okay, x square write here as it is. Now instead of writing 5x, we have to write here plus 3x and plus 2x, and this 6 we have to write here as it is. Here what I done, first I find the factors of this 6 for this x term. Always we have to do the same things only. Whatever tricks I am telling, just keep in your mind, this example never be wrong any time. Understand? So here what we had done, 6 factor we find for the 5, means 6 factors 5 are the 2 3s are 6, and then signs we have to give, that is plus 3 and plus 2. Okay, and then here what we had done, first term as it is written and third term as it is written, but instead of writing plus 5x we have to write 3x plus 2x, means only 5x. Clear all of you? Now next step of the example is that from this first 2 and from this second 2, what we have to take, common terms outside the bracket. So x square plus 3x inside, x is common. If x will come outside, what is remain here? X plus 3, right? From this x square 1x gone outside, and from this 3x x gone outside. So from this x square here remains x, and from 3x x gone outside remain 3. Now the most important thing is that we have to check, here we have to give one sign. So which sign we have to give here? If we have to compare the second and fourth term, always second and fourth term. If the signs are same, here give the positive sign. Clear? If second and fourth term signs are same, give here positive sign. And then what is common here? 2 is common, just take it outside. X, from 2x 2 gone outside and 2 stable inside, 6 is present at third place. So here it is x plus 3 is the common bracket that we have to write at first term, and these uncommon terms are there that we have to write in the another bracket, x plus 2. These steps you have to follow for this. By using this you can solve any example. Understand? So x plus 3 and x plus 2 are the factors of quadratic trinomial, that is x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay. Now the next question is here 2x square minus 9x plus 9. 2x square minus 9x plus 9. 2x square minus 9x plus 9. Correct? 2x square we will see the next factorization in our next lecture, because in the first day example so many examples we have to try. So today all of you basics of these examples you just study. Tomorrow we will see the next part. Okay, so today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.